Yeah, I'd say NAC is quite unique in the environment that we train in. Being in Tasman, Nelson region, it's one of the sunniest cities of New Zealand year by year, so you really have minimal delays to your training. You also have great instructors and a really great mountain environment.
I think we're really fortunate to, one, have some really great staff. We have the smaller class sizes, which means there's a lot more one-on-one time between students and instructors.
We have 6 brand new procedure trainers, which simulate the aircraft instruments and have very realistic responses and IFR procedures so that the students can practice what they're learning.
We have a good mix between a classroom learning environment, so things like videos, things like books, mock exams, but we also leave the classroom and practically learn outside as well.